We offer our full range of services in Mankato. That would include anything related to death or body decomposition, blood and trauma, hoarding, and drug mitigation services. And over the past year, we've helped many clients in Mankato, both residential and commercial, with the services that we offer. Well, at Scene Clean, we can handle your entire project from start to finish, meaning the remediation process, all the way through the construction process if it's needed. We are a preferred vendor for many of the large insurance companies that service the Minneapolis area. The process really starts when someone calls or submits a website form on our website. We try and be at any emergency service within a couple hours if possible. Otherwise, with insurance-based services, we can typically come out and do or start the work within 24 hours. The days of needing multiple estimates for insurance companies is no longer with the software that's out there. If it's a hoarding company or a hoarding client or a drug mitigation client, we'll set up a time that works for them to come out and give them a written estimate. The consequences from not hiring the correct biohazard provider could lead to issues with filing your claim and getting reimbursed for that claim. There are companies out there that claim they do biohazard cleanup, but they might only do a dozen or so a year, whereas our company, that's all we do. We do hundreds of these a year. The biggest difference with us is that we are local and we take a lot of pride and value in our reputation and making sure that the customer is satisfied in the end.